Thank you for watching Ravi's Eye View. Welcome to the 7th episode of It's All About Technology, which I'm sure you will enjoy watching it. Now, Facebook is in news for multiple other reasons. One of the latest news is Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter. He mocked Facebook CEO, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg. Why did he mock? It's a question which many of you will be interested to learn or know more about. Mark Zuckerberg, in one of his recent public address, mentioned that he intends to make Facebook as an enterprise which will be metaverse ready. Metaverse? Wow. That's a very, very large and longer vision. Many of you might have heard about a science fiction novel which was written by Neil Stephenson way back in 1992 called Snow Crash. Now, metaverse is a terminology used in the science fiction novel for the first time by Neil Stephenson way back in 1992. Now, what is metaverse? In simple terminology, instead of using internet, you will be part of internet. Now, how does it work? Using virtual reality and augmented reality, a subject can be in the universe called metaverse, which means you can transact, you can communicate, you can watch concerts, you can watch whatever entertainment channel which you want. In addition to that, people communication with each other can be done by being in the universe by creating a very unique avatar for yourself. Now, is this a afterworld for human beings once they leave this earth? Possibility is yes. One can create their own avatar, leave that in the metaverse universe for the next generation, and the generation after next can interact and can choose to be with you. There are many forms of metaverse is currently available with us. Yes, cryptocurrency is one of them. Now, the emerging NFT, the non-fungible token, is again an example of metaverse. Now, why did Jack Dorsey mocked Zuckerberg? Quite interesting to know, because metaverse is an universe where each and every individual, you and I, if you want to be part of the next evolution of internet, anything pertaining to you as a human being will be treated as a citizen in metaverse, which means all data pertaining to you, all identification pertaining to you, your iris, your identification, your complete data will have to be used in that universe for you to do an active role being part of metaverse. There are many school of thoughts in metaverse, in the universe. Some even, including Dorsey, claim that to be a dystopian, which means the future of human being will be tortured and it will be painful for them to be part of metaverse. Having said that, Elon Musk, few days ago, did mention, which I captured in one of my videos, that the big tech companies is a place where talent will get killed. Undoubtedly, we have to come into terms of accepting this. The technology is changing the universe, the place where we human beings are living. Metaverse today might be sounding as dystopian as per Dorsey, but it can be the futuristic reality. Watch for more such videos from me. Signing off, Ravi Venkatraman. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Ravi's Eye View. Thanks for your time.